Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. This is ReactJS tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to use properties and child properties in ReactJS. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Before continuing this video tutorial, I sincerely recommend please watch my previous ReactJS tutorial series. You can find those videos in my channel playlist. Now let's continue the today's tutorial how to implement the properties, ReactJS properties and child properties. Now if you notice here, I have created one first -app ReactJS application. All these files and folders has been created automatically when I created this ReactJS application. Now before implement the properties and child properties in ReactJS component, let's check the default output of our ReactJS application. In Visual Studio, to run the application, ReactJS application, go to View, select Terminal, and here we got our terminal, which is nothing but a command prompt or PowerShell. And also notice the path React examples, which is in D drive. The React examples is nothing but is our folder name. Now in this folder, I have created this first -app. So next step is we need to add this first -app React application to this path. For that, cd change directory first, it's a first-app, enter. After that, to run the ReactJS application, we need to use a command called npm, which is a nudget package manager start, enter. And here we got our output of our ReactJS application, which is this app.js code. Now let's continue the today's tutorial how to implement the properties and child properties in ReactJS component. Now first what I'll do is I will add one new component in our application. To add the React component in the project, there is a source folder. I select the source folder, right click the mouse, new file. Let's name it as a react prop.js, enter. And here we got our new React component. Now when we want to create a component, first we need to import the React class from the React library. After that, in ReactJS we can create two types of components. One is class components and another one is functional component. In my previous videos, I have explained clearly how to create the class or functional component in ReactJS. Now here I'm creating functional component, so I'm declaring a variable which is the React prop is equals to, between curly brackets, and this function return, I'm adding simply h1. This is my name is Charan. Let's add my name is Charan. Let's save this file. Now here one important point, once we create the function, we need to export default this function name, React prop, semicolon. Let's save this file, save. Now let's call this React prop to this default component, React component. For that, we need to import the component here, import React prop from the path /React prop column. After that, we can access this React prop component in this app.js component. I'm adding after the anchor link, my component name is a React, capital R, React prop. That's it. Let's save this file again, save all, compiled successfully, we got the message. Let's check the new output. See here, my name is Charan. Now let's implement how to use the properties and child properties. Before that, in ReactJS, components are very flexible. We can reuse them. So I'm adding 3 times here the React prop. Let's save this file. Let's check the output. See here we got my name is Sharon. We got 3 times here because we have reused this component 3 times. Now here I want to implement, if we check here, my name is Charan, 3 times I am getting. Instead of my name is Charan here, I want to get different names. The names I want to get different names. For that I am using properties. So go to app.js. In the properties I am adding, the name is equals to, first name is Charan, and the second property name is equals to Vijay, and the third one name is equals to Peter or Jack. Now let's save this file. We'll check the output, what we'll get here. Let's reload the browser. See, after reload the browser, we are getting the same output what we have in the earlier, but my output should be Charan, Vijay and Jack. The names must be on this browser. So to use these properties, go to the React prop. In the function, here I am adding the property. You can give any name. Here I am giving the property name X. Now here I am adding, instead of Charan, between curly brackets, the property name is X dot. Now here we need to add this property name. That's it. Let's save this file. Got a message compiled successfully. Let's check the new output. See here we got my name is Charan, Vijay and Jack. This is how we use the properties. Now come to the child properties. Here what I'm adding in the ReactJS, let's close the React prop. Let's save this file. Copy this one, paste here and paste here. And here I'm adding, I am programmer. And chef. I am a traveler. Let's save this file. Now let's check the output. Once I reload the browser, see here, notice I'm not getting these messages here. I'm a programmer, I'm a chef, I'm a traveler after the name. So these are the child properties. To access these child properties, we need to add, let's add comma here, between again curly brackets, X dot, there is a property name called children. So these are the children properties. So we need to add children properties. Let's save this file. Got a message compiled successfully. Let's check the output. See here we got, I'm a programmer, I'm a chef and I'm a traveler. That's it. This is how we use in ReactJS properties and child properties. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.